Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can fix Assassin's Creed Shadows keep crashing and freezing on Windows. Okay, now the first step or the first problem that you might actually have is that you are running low on RAM, okay, on physical RAM. Okay, so the fix that I can recommend you do is you must close all of the backgrounds app here. Okay, you must close your internet, you must close your antivirus, so on and so on. Okay, and just keep the game and Steam open. Okay, so that is the first thing. Now the second thing is that you might be running low on VRAM, okay? This game actually requires a lot of VRAM, okay? Because it's an open world game and it's actually, the textures are super nice, so it's actually going to require a lot of VRAM, okay? So what I'm going to show you today is how you can reduce this VRAM usage here, okay? So just go to options, go to options again, let's go to our video menu, and now you want to go to scalability here. And now we want to find your texture setting, which is this one here, okay? Texture streaming pool. Now, do not actually listen to this VRAM indicator because I find that it's usually not true, okay? This game actually requires more than 10 gigabytes or 12 gigabytes of VRAM in order to run the textures on high or even very high, okay? So I'm actually going to recommend that you keep the textures down to low or medium at the very, at the very most, okay? But I actually would keep them to low if you have 6 gigabytes or 8 gigabytes of VRAM, okay? So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much, guys.